Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find agency in Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live and then click on the Me icon, which is in the bottom right hand corner. Now click on Creator Content. Now you can see that if you scroll down, there's an agency. Click on Agency, and if you are a Bigo Live user, it will appear. If you are a recent Bigo Live user, it will take some time and then the agency will be displayed. Let me show it to you again. Go to Me and go to Creator Center, and there you can see the agency. Tap on it and the agencies will be shown to you. This is how you see agencies in Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more contents. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.